Hi, we're going to talk about tall letters that go from the top line to the bottom line, a small letter that goes from the midline to the bottom line, and a fall letter that starts at the midline and falls below the bottom line. So, we're going to look at each of our letters and decide if it's tall, small, or fall. First letter we're going to look at is G. A G falls below the line. Falls. See where it falls below the line? H is a tall letter. It starts at the top and goes to the bottom. Tall. L is a tall. Starts at the top, goes to the bottom. J is a fall. It falls below the line. X, it is a small. It goes from the midline to the bottom line. F, tall. Starts at the top, goes to the bottom. N, starts at the midline, goes to the bottom line. Z, small. E, small. O, small again, because it goes to the midline, to the baseline. U, and I know this is U because I see it starts at the midline and goes to the baseline. P, I know this is a fall because it starts at the midline and falls below the baseline. P, fall. C is a small. It starts at the midline, goes to the baseline. I starts at the midline, goes to the baseline. Small. S starts at the midline, goes to the baseline. A starts at the midline, goes to the baseline. Y starts at the midline, goes below the baseline, so it's fall. Q starts at the midline, goes below the baseline. Fall. D starts at the midline, goes all the way up to the top line, comes down to the baseline, is a tall. T is tall, starts at the top line, goes down to the midline, then across the midline. W, small, starts at the midline, goes down to the baseline. R, starts at the midline, goes down to the baseline. Small. V, starts at the midline, goes down to the baseline. Small. B, starts at the top, goes down to the baseline, comes up to the midline, and over around. Tall. K starts at the top, goes down to the baseline, and then we slant. Tall. M starts at the baseline or midline and goes down to the baseline. Small. Get them all sorted and check. And take a picture for me and send it to Miss Downing on Seesaw. Thanks.